Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to be going over a little experiment that I was trying by adding a second animation to the first one that I added. This time I'm using a different happy birthday animation that I made, and then on the after, so if we go into the screen or the device control, right here, the start photo session, I added a second animation video to play after they touch the screen. So this seems to work pretty good. I made only slight changes to the screen. I just removed the copies button because I noticed that it was showing up after they push the button to activate the screen, and before it showed this second video, it would show that little copies button. So if you, we'll go ahead and start it so that way you can see. So I'm just using the trial version. I don't have any printers connected. So this is the happy birthday little animation video. And if I click it to start it, it goes straight into the second video, which is pretty good. So then it'll play the session. People will take their pictures like normal. And then, so let me go ahead and try to exit out of this. All right, so I don't know if you saw, but there is that copies button that just kind of randomly showed up when I was trying to exit out. So if we go into the screens, if we go to edit, I try to hide it. We can delete it, but if I go to show, here's show object, let's go ahead and save it and then see if it works the same. So I'll go ahead and start booth. And so we'll click it. Okay, good. So it doesn't show it, just shows the animation, and then we go straight into the pictures. So then it'll take I think I set it for 3 pictures. I can't really remember. I just been focusing on the screen and the device control, but I'm pretty sure it's 3 pictures. And then we'll exit out, and I'll just delete the copies button. So there's the copies. If I click it, it would print the copies. So let's go ahead and try to exit out again. All right, so now you can delete this, and if you don't want to offer prints, you can just remove that. But just thought I'd share this little experiment that I was doing with the second animation video, so that way you have kind of like a follow-up reaction to the first video. So like if we go into device, and then instead of just showing one video, then they push it, it'll be nice to kind of show like a little reaction to that first video. So in the videos, this one says happy birthday, and then when they push it, this one's saying party time, with a little explosion of confetti. So I thought that was pretty neat. If you guys like those little video combination, I will most likely be putting it on my website to purchase. I'm still just working out the website layout, and so that'll be available if you guys feel like you will like something like that. Go ahead and leave a comment of things that you want me to try, and I'll give it a shot. So if we go into the timing, also, I did lower down the get ready delay. We could try 0. Maybe that might delay that little black screen in between before the second video plays. So if I hit start booth and then I click it, kind of does that right there. I've noticed that before. So then if we go to add 1 here, and then go to start booth, and then click it. It doesn't do the little timer there. So there's been some trial and error that I've been messing with, and I feel like this right here is pretty good. If you still want to show the live view and you also want to show animations, this is kind of a good workaround so far that I've found out. So I'll keep playing with it and see what else I can do in the device control and what other setups is possible while still showing the live view. But that's all I got for this video. Hopefully you guys found it helpful, and if you want to leave a comment, let me know what you guys think. That'd be greatly appreciated, and I'll see you guys in the next video.